got a new ETM RTR from Electro & Co. I actually got this one off a Ronster ride, so it should be pretty sweet. I'm gonna video me unboxing it, and yeah, enjoy the video. Over at the battery, we're gonna open the battery up first, and then we're gonna get the charger out of the box so we can start charging it. So when we're done unboxing and building it, we can ride it. Been waiting for this for a little bit. That's why I haven't been posting too many. Oh, this is awesome. Too many long videos. There it is. The battery. It's pretty big. It's kind of heavy too. Got some nice packaging. Okay. On to the unboxing of the bike. Okay, now that we open the battery, open the big box. First we're gonna cut these straps. Just using the box knife to cut them open. This is sweet. I'm just gonna put it on time lapse as I open it. Okay, I found the charger, got it out of the box, and now I'm going to plug it in so when we get the bike done, we can ride it. I wonder what the percent is on it. Okay, so to my understanding, gotta get these wires out, we plug that one into the wall, and then into the charger, and then we will plug it into the battery. This is huge. So big, way bigger than I thought it would be. Put the charger port in. And we'll take this, plug that one in there. Put that in there. Is it charging? It's charging. I hear a fan. There's the red light. And we're just gonna let that charge. So I'll put it on time lapse so you can watch me keep opening it. Okay, I just got the wheel out, or I guess the front tire, and it has electric lightning bolts in it. That's pretty cool. We're just gonna keep unboxing. Okay, so I don't know if you can already tell this, but I got this bike off of RonsterRides.com. They're not sponsored or anything, but so I got the special gold forks, I guess. So I'm just gonna put it on time lapse and keep unboxing. Okay, so I just put this up on its stand, and I noticed this metal bar hanging down, and there were a couple bolts in the box that were just kind of laying there. So I believe that this bar was supposed to be kind of held on. Oh, and so they're not very tight, the bolts, but so I just have this bar and this bolt. The other nut came with it was just kind of laying in the box. So yeah, we got it unboxed, and we're gonna put the bars on and the front wheel on, and I'll keep time lapsing. Okay, so as you can see, I got the bike on the stand. I put the bars on just loosely. So far this thing looks awesome. The gold forks from Monster Rides just look amazing. I got my parts. I took off my seat, the toolkit, the back shock, the front wheel, fenders, the bolts, the actual the owner's manual, user guide thing, front axle. We're just gonna keep putting it together. This thing looks sweet so far though. Okay, I just got the handlebars torqued down and the front wheel and the pinch bolts torqued down with the axle and everything. The wheel has a weird like noise to it. Not sure what that's about, but I set it how they said. You spin the wheel, lock up the brake, and after that do the torque or pinch bolts. And then right now I'm taking off this other side plastic so I can install the shock easier. I'm gonna see if I can just do it without taking off the side plastic, but I've heard from different people on YouTube that it's easier if you take it off. But we're gonna try to slide the shock in there like that, and then put that in there. Oh, this is kind of tough to get that bolt in. I got it. Okay, I got the bolt in. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll take it off the thing. So I got that top bolt in right there. Now I'm gonna put this bottom bolt in and torque them down. Not sure how that's, I'm gonna probably have to take that side panel off to torque it down. But yeah, we're gonna finish putting it together and maybe take it for a quick rip. Our battery over here, still charging. By the way, Electro and Co, they added this toolkit in. They have their own grease. Although my front number plate's scratched, it was just kind of in the box, so I'm not sure what that's about. But I'm really liking the white on gold. Just gonna put it on the time lapse and then we'll take it for a rip. Okay, I just got the side plastic off, and then I'm gonna put the wrench through there, torque that down, and yeah, then we're gonna put that bottom one on, torque it down, put the front plates on, slip the battery in, and take it for a rip. Okay guys, I just got the battery in. This thing looks awesome. Battery's at 98%. let's go for a ride. Okay, first ride, and it is safe to say this thing absolutely rips. There's gonna be more content on this. Yeah, this thing rips. Think I'm gonna end out the video here. See you in the next one.